You move through life like morning rain, soft and gone before I came. The world turned gold beneath your feet, while I kept watch discreet. I spoke in silence, breathed in dust, wore loyalty like rusted trust. Your smile was never meant for me, yet still I stood, still and still. No hand to hold, no words to say, just shadows cast where light won't stay. I gave what love could not contain, a vow as pale as morning rain. You move through life like morning rain, soft and gone before I came. You move through life like morning rain. You soft and gone before I came. You soft and gone before I came. You soft and gone before I came. You bloomed in light I could not reach, a whispered name I dared not teach. Your world was gold and mine was gray, yet still I watched, I stayed. After all this time I breathe your name, a flicker in the ash, a quiet flame. You loved another, yet I remain unseen, unheard, but not in vain. In shadows deep I drew your face, a sacred wound I can't erase. Not for your love, but for your life. I bore the storm, I bore the knife. After all this time I chose the pain, a vow unspoken, soft as rain. And if they ask me why I stayed, I'll say it low, with eyes that fade always. Not for glory, not for praise, but for your memory to raise. After all this time